The Island of Forgotten Colors. In a small coastal village, there lived a boy named Luca who loved to paint. But Luca had a problem. He always thought his paintings weren't good enough, and that no one would ever like them. One day, while walking on the beach, Luca found an old glass bottle containing a crumpled map. On the map it read, "The Island of Forgotten Colors, where every hue has a story." Curious, Luca decided to sail to the island in his small boat. After a day at sea, he arrived at a strange, colorless island. Everything was gray, as if covered in ash. Luca soon realized the island's colors had faded because its people had lost hope. While exploring, Luca met a gray bird named Zip. Zip told him, "Long ago, the people here lost their love for creativity, and the colors vanished. Only a kind-hearted artist can bring them back." Luca nervously said, "But I can't even paint well." Zip replied, "You're wrong. True art comes from courage, not perfection." Luca and Zip began their journey. Along the way, they encountered magical creatures. A giant tree with crumpled paper-like leaves. A river that carried tears instead of water. A massive stone engraved with, "Here lies buried dreams." Luca decided to paint for each of them. For the tree, he painted vibrant green leaves. For the river, he added colorful fish. For the stone, he drew a starry sky. With each painting, colors returned to the island, replacing the gray with life. By the end of their journey, the islanders saw the restored colors and told Luca, "You taught us that even small efforts can change the world." Luca learned that true art doesn't need to be perfect. It needs courage to begin and love to share. Moral of the story: confidence is the key to unlocking hidden talents. Never fear starting, even if you think you're imperfect. Sometimes, one small step can change not just your life, but the world around you.